Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss new topic of your computer book, chapter number 5. Name of the chapter is Exploring the Keyboard. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the keyboard and the different keys we are using in the keyboard. First, I will tell you why we use keyboard. Keyboard we are using to give instructions to the computer. We are using the keyboard to give the instruction to the computer because computer is just a machine. To give an instruction to the computer, for that we are using keyboard. Keyboard we are using to give the instructions. To whom? To the computer. कीबोर्ड के थ्रू हम किसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं? कंप्यूटर्स को. Whatever the key we are pressing in the keyboard, that instruction will type on the monitor screen. Or which instruction or which key we are pressing on through the keyboard, that instruction will goes to the computer. कंप्यूटर कीबोर्ड किसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस देता है? आपके कंप्यूटर को. We are using keyboard to input number. If you want to type any alphabets, letter, or you can say that, or any number, for that we are using the keyboard. Now you can see here, we use keyboard to give instructions to the computer. If you want to give any kind of instruction, we can give the instruction through the keyboard. Keyboard, we can input words or number through the keyboard also. You can see here, this is your keyboard. If you want to type any number or alphabet or any word, you can type with the help of keyboard. As we are doing earlier also, for typing we are using the keyboard. Keyboard consists of various keys having different function or purpose. Keyboard क्या contain करता है? Number of keys. You can, earlier I have shown you the keyboard picture. The keyboard contain number of keys inside it to perform different function. We are using, or for different purpose we are using the keyboard. You can see here, this is the picture of keyboard. This is the picture of keyboard given over there, and different keys are given in the keyboard to perform different function. For different purpose we are using the keyboard, and there are the different keys given under the keyboard. Name of these keys are, you can see here, these are the alphabetic keys through which we are typing any alphabet or typing any letter with the help of alphabetic keys. Alphabetic keys are A, B, C, D, A to Z. Total keys are 26 alphabetic keys. For typing number, we are using the number key. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 0 to 9, total 10 number keys are given over there. And on the right side also, these are also number keys. To type a number through the keyboard, we are using number key. If you want to type any letter or alphabet, for that we are using these alphabetic keys. For typing number, we are using the number key. Now, next key we are going to discuss is your function key. There are 12 function key to perform different function. Function key start from F1 and up to F12. F1, F2, F3 up to F12. There are total number of 12 function key given on the keyboard. You can see here at the top is your function key. Below the function key is your number key, and below the number key is your alphabetic keys. Alphabetic key we are using to type letters. Number key we are using to number key are used to type number. Function keys are used to perform different function. There are 12 number of function key given on the keyboard. Next key we are going to discuss is your caps lock key. If you want to type the letter in, if you want to type any capital letter, if you want to type in capital letter a message or a word, for that we are using the caps lock key. कैप्स लॉक की इज यूज टू टाइप इन कैपिटल लेटर. अगर आपको सब कुछ कैपिटल लेटर में लिखना है, फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग द कैप्स लॉक की. नाउ as we have discussed, caps lock key to type in capital letter. अगर सारे ही अल्फाबेट्स आपको कैपिटल में लिखने हैं, for that we are using the caps lock key. Once you have to press caps lock key, then start typing. All the letter will be visible on the monitor in capital with the help of pressing caps lock key on the keyboard. Now next we are going to discuss shift key. Shift key, you can see here there are two shift key given on the keyboard. One is on the left side, other is on the right side below the enter key. You can see here also there are two shift key given on the keyboard. If you want to write any specific letter in a capital, for that we are using shift key. Along with the shift key you have to press the alphabet key to type in capital letter. अगर किसी आप लेटर को स्पेसिफिक लेटर को आपको कैपिटल में लिखना है, along with that alphabet key you have to press the shift key. If you want to print or if you want to type any special character on the monitor screen, if you want to type any special character on the monitor screen, for that we have to use shift key along with that number key to type the special character or special symbol. For typing special symbol on the monitor we are using shift key along with that key. Next key we are going to discuss your space bar key. Space bar key, you can see space bar key is given at the bottom of the keyboard. This is your space bar key. Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. You can see here all keys are small. The size of the space bar key is longest. So longest key on the keyboard is your space bar key. Space bar key is, how many keys are given over there? Space bar key on the keyboard, just one. Space bar key is 1 in number given on the keyboard to give the space between the words or letter. We are using space bar key. If you want to give any space between the words, letter or number, for that we are using space bar key. अगर आपको किसी भी वर्ड के बीच में या लेटर्स के बीच में या नंबर्स के बीच में स्पेस देना है, for we are using space bar key. Next is your enter key. Enter key take the cursor to the new line. If you want to move to the new line, for that we are using enter key. You can see here this is your enter key. Enter key is used to take the cursor to the new line. अगर आपको न्यू लाइन पे मूव करना है, for that we are pressing enter key. At the end of each sentence we are pressing enter key. There are two enter keys given on the keyboard. You can see here light blue color given. Two keys are over there with the name of enter. Total number of enter keys are given on the keyboard are 2 enter keys. 2. When you want to move to the cursor to the new line, after, or you can say that after the end of each sentence we are pressing enter key to take the cursor to the new line. Now next we are going to discuss your backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase, or you can say that delete the character toward the right of the cursor. If you want to delete the character from your screen, for that we are using the backspace key. Backspace key is used to delete the character from the screen. We are using backspace key. backspace key से हम क्या करते हैं, जो भी हमने टाइप किया है अगर हमें उसे इरेज करना है या डिलीट करना है, for that we are using backspace key. Backspace key is 1 in number, given just one key is backspace key. You can see here with the sign of arrow. This is a sign of arrow at the top given over there. This is your backspace key. No other key given over there. Backspace key, just one backspace key given on the keyboard. So how many backspace keys are given over there on the keyboard? Just one. Number of the backspace key is 1. Next we are going to discuss your arrow keys. Arrow keys are 4 in number. You can see here there are total 4 arrow keys. Upward arrow, downward arrow, forward arrow, backward arrow. If you want to move up, down, left, right, if you want to move in any direction like up, down, left, right, for that we are using arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor in left, right, up and down. In any direction you can move with the help of arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys given on the keyboard. Now I think all of you clear the key which we have discussed together. Now again I will take the name of all the key. Start with the caps lock key to type in capital letter. There is one caps lock key given on the keyboard. Function key. There are 12 function key given on the keyboard. Start from F1 to F12. Number keys. There are 10 in number. Range 0 to 9. कहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है आपकी 0 to 9. टोटल 10 नंबर कीज आर गिवन ऑन द कीबोर्ड. You can see here these are the number key here, and on the right side also number keys are given over there. Backspace key to erase the character which you have typed on the monitor screen. For that we are using backspace key. Backspace key is 1 in number. Shift key. Shift key, if you want to type any specific letter in capital, if you want to type any special character on the screen, along with that alphabet key or number key, you can type the special character or specific letter in capital. Along with that key we have to use shift key. There are 2 shift key given on the keyboard. One is on the left side, other is on the right side. You can see here. Now alphabetic keys. There are 26 alphabetic keys. To type alphabets or letter or words we are using alphabetic key. If अगर आपको अपना नेम टाइप करना है, स्कूल नेम टाइप करना है, रोल नंबर टाइप करना है, इफ यू वांट टू टाइप एनी अल्फाबेट, योर नेम और एनी वर्ड और एनी सेंटेंस, फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग alphabetic keys. Alphabetic keys are 26 in number. Space bar key. With the name it's indicate to give the space between the words, letters or number, we are using space bar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. You can see here, this is the longest key on the keyboard. Which key is the longest key on the keyboard? Space bar key. Enter key. At the end of each sentence we are pressing enter key to take the cursor to the new line. अगर आपको cursor को new line पे लेके जाना है तो हम कौन सी key press करते हैं? Enter key. Now next is your arrow key. Arrow keys are 4 in number. There are 4 arrow keys. To move up, down, left, right, to move in any direction we are using arrow key. There are 4 arrow keys given on the keyboard. You can see here. Next we are going to discuss knowing the keys. Now the keys which we have discussed together on the keyboard. Now we will discuss one by one. Let us discuss all the key one by one again. Knowing the keys. Carefully observe and press each key to see the output. You can see here. First you have to carefully see which keys are these. These are the alphabetic keys to type your name or any alphabet or any word or a sentence. For that we are using the alphabetic keys as we have discussed. Now keyboard has all the alphabet but not in alphabetic order. You can see these are the alphabetic keys but not in order. First key of the alphabet start from the Q, then W, E, R, T, Y. These are not in the order, means they are not in the order like A, B, C, D. They are not in that order. Well, how can I type my name? Name consists of alphabets. How can we type our name? By using alphabetic keys we can type our name. See, if you want to type Sam, then which key we have to press? Alphabetic key we have to use. And in alphabetic key, which key we have to press? First we have to press S, then A, then M. we press alphabetic key first, S, then A, then M. In this way, if you want to type your name, then you have to type your each and every alphabet of your name through the by using the alphabetic key from the keyboard. All the number keys are in a row just above the alphabetic key. All the number keys are above the alphabetic keys. As I have shown you, you can see here, these are your alphabetic key. Above the alphabetic keys are your number keys. You can see here, these are the number key above the alphabet. सारे नंबर कीज कहाँ पे हैं? अल्फाबेटिक की के ऊपर ही है ना. All the number keys are above the alphabetic keys. There are 10 number keys. You can see here, there are 10 number key. Start from 1 to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. There are 10 number key range 0 to 9. Total number of number key. How many number of keys are given on the keyboard? 10. You can see here on the screen, and the number keys are above the alphabetic key. If you want to type your age and date by using the number key, अगर आपको अपनी date आज today date if you want to press type, for that we have to use number key. अगर आपको कोई भी date type करनी है या आपको अपनी age type करनी है तो हम कौन सी की यूज करेंगे? नंबर की. नाउ नेक्स्ट की we are going to discuss is your space bar key. As we have discussed now we have discussed about the space bar key. Now again we are going to discuss one more time about space bar key. Watch, this is your space bar key given at the bottom of your keyboard. Watch out for the longest key on the keyboard. Which key is the longest key on the keyboard? Name of the longest key on the keyboard is space bar key. This is a space bar key. It is used to give spaces. If you want to give a space between the alphabets, words, numbers and sentences, for that we have to press space bar key. अगर किसी भी आप कुछ भी टाइप करते हो स्क्रीन पे, मॉनिटर स्क्रीन पे, इफ यू वांट टू गिव अ स्पेस बिटवीन द अल्फाबेट्स, अगर आपको कोई भी स्पेस देना है तो उसके लिए हम कौन सी की प्रेस करेंगे? स्पेस बार की. स्पेस इन दिस वे, फर्स्ट एज आई हैव टाइप्ड हियर माय, देन मैंने कौन सी की प्रेस करी? स्पेस बार की, टू गिव अ स्पेस बिटवीन द वर्ड्स. एज आई हैव गिवन द स्पेस बिटवीन द वर्ड, माय नेम इज सैम. आफ्टर ईच word I have pressed the space bar key to give a space between the words. Always use your thumb to press space bar key. When you are using the keyboard, that time you have to use thumb for your space bar key. कौन सी की यूज से प्रेस करते हैं हम space bar key को? थंब से. थंब से you have to press the space bar key to give the space between the words, letter and number. For that you have to use thumb. Now next we are going to discuss is your caps lock key. Why we are using caps lock key? Now I have told you why. Who will tell me? Now again I will tell you. Caps lock key, how can we get the capital letter? By pressing the caps lock key. If you want to type all the letter in capital, अगर आपको सारे ही alphabets capital letter में लिखने हैं, first you have to press the caps lock key. जब आप caps lock key को press करोगे, then it will turn caps lock light on. जब भी आप caps lock key को press करोगे तो caps lock key की light क्या हो जाएगी? Turn on हो जाएगी. Then all the letter will come or appear on the screen in capital. सारे alphabets आपको कैसे दिखेंगे? Once you press the caps lock key from the keyboard in capital. अगर आपको again if you want to type all the letter in small letter, then you have to again press the caps lock key to turn off. Then all the letter will appear in the small letters. Now how can we get capital letter? Caps lock key is used to get capital letter. अगर आपको सारे अल्फाबेट कैपिटल में चाहिए, for that you have to press caps lock key. Now Next, we are going to discuss about the capital letter. When you press caps lock key, it will turn caps lock light on. जब भी आप caps lock key को use करते हो तो caps lock key की light क्या हो जाती है? Turn on. How can we get small letter again then? Simple. Press caps lock again. The caps lock light will turn off. Now type your name. Check the output. जब फर्स्ट टाइम आप कैप्स लॉक की को प्रेस करोगे तो कैप्स लॉक की लाइट क्या हो जाएगी? टर्न ऑन हो जाएगी. एंड द ऑल द लेटर विच यू विल टाइप थ्रू द कीबोर्ड विल कम इन कैपिटल लेटर. नाउ इफ आई वांट टू टाइप माय नेम इन स्मॉल लेटर, देन once again you will press the caps lock key to turn off, to type in capital, then all the letter will come in small letter. एक बार जब हम कैप्स लॉक की को प्रेस करेंगे तो सारे लेटर आपके अल्फाबेट्स आपके कैपिटल में आएंगे. अगर आपको दोबारा स्मॉल लेटर में लिखना है देन वन मोर टाइम यू हैव टू प्रेस द कैप्स लॉक की टू टर्न ऑफ. देन देयर लाइट विल बी ऑफ एंड देन व्हेन यू विल टाइप ऑल द लेटर विल बी visible in small letter on the screen. Next we are going to discuss about enter key. Why we are using enter key? Already we have discussed. Again I am going to tell you why we are using enter key. When enter key is pressed, the instruction go into the memory of the computer for processing. जब भी हम enter key press करते हैं, जो भी हमने कीबोर्ड से इंस्ट्रक्शन दी होती है कंप्यूटर को, दैट इंस्ट्रक्शन विल गो इनटू द मेमोरी ऑफ कंप्यूटर फॉर प्रोसेसिंग. प्रोसेसिंग के लिए वो कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में चली जाती है इंस्ट्रक्शन व्हेन वी आर प्रेसिंग द एंटर की. जब भी आप एंटर की प्रेस करेंगे कंप्यूटर कीबोर्ड से, जो भी आपने कंप्यूटर को कमांड दी है मीन्स इंस्ट्रक्शन दी होगी, वो कमांड कहाँ पे चली जाएगी? प्रोसेसिंग के लिए कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में चली जाएगी बाय प्रेसिंग द एंटर की. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इज योर शिफ्ट की. देयर आर टू शिफ्ट की on the keyboard, as I have shown you, one on the left side, other on the right side of the keyboard. Again I will show you here. Look at on the screen. One is here, shift key is given over there on the left side of the keyboard, other shift key given on the right side of the keyboard. Total how many shift keys are given on the keyboard? Two shift keys are given on the keyboard. Now why we are using the shift key? When caps lock light is off, जब आपने caps lock light को off कर दिया, we can press the shift key along with any alphabet to get in capital letter. अगर कोई आपको कोई भी लेटर अगर कैपिटल में लिखना है, अगर caps lock की आपकी ऑफ है, then along with that alphabet you have to use shift key to type that letter in capital letter. Clear? अगर कोई भी लेटर आपको कैपिटल में लिखना है और आपकी कैप्स लॉक की ऑफ है, तो अनदर वे टू टाइप द कैपिटल लेटर यू हैव टू प्रेस द शिफ्ट की अलॉन्ग विद दैट अल्फाबेट की टू टाइप इन कैपिटल लेटर. तो आपका अल्फाबेट फिर वो किस में अपीयर होगा? आपका कैपिटल लेटर में. नाउ सी हियर, लुक केयरफुली, सम कीज हैव टू कैरेक्टर्स वन अबव द अदर. लाइक नंबर की के ऊपर कुछ स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स दे रखे होते हैं. एज वन के ऊपर क्या दे रहा है? साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन गिवन अबव द नंबर वन. यू कैन सी, आई विल शो यू अगेन हियर. नंबर कीज आर गिवन ओवर देयर अबव द नंबर की. सम स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स आर गिवन ओवर देयर. दीज आर द स्पेशल की. इफ यू वांट टू टाइप दिस स्पेशल की, हाउ वी विल टाइप? जब हम ये की प्रेस करते हैं तो जनरल हमारा नंबर आता है. नाउ आई वांट टू टाइप दैट सिंबल विच इज गिवन अबव दैट नंबर की. देन हाउ वी विल टाइप? बाय यूजिंग द शिफ्ट की. अलोंग विद दैट नंबर की वी हैव टू प्रेस शिफ्ट की टू टाइप द सिंबल ऑन द स्क्रीन. नाउ वन मोर टाइम आई विल टेल यू. When we press these key along with the shift key together, we will get the top symbol on the screen. जब भी आप shift key के साथ कोई भी number की press करोगे, the symbol given on the top of the screen, top of this key, that symbol will be visible or appear on your screen. Otherwise If we simply press the double arrow, we will get the lower row symbol on the screen. अगर just simply मैं इस की को प्रेस करूंगी तो नंबर आएगा. अगर वो मुझे सिंबल चाहिए along with the shift key, we have to press that number key to get the top symbol on the screen. Now, I think all of you understood the chapter which I have explained to you. Now, next is your arrow key. Now we have discussed how many arrow keys are given over there. You can see, you can observe the picture. This is the picture of arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys given on the keyboard. Arrow key allow the cursor to move up, down, left, right. अगर आपको अपने cursor को कहाँ ले जाना है, जब when we are typing up, then we have to use upward arrow key. If you want to take the cursor to the downward, then you have to press downward arrow key. In the same, if you want to move left, then you have to use left arrow key. And if you want to move in right direction, then you have to press right arrow key to move in the right direction of your typing. There are 4 arrow keys given on the keyboard. You can see here, these are the 4 arrow keys given on the keyboard. Next is your cursor. Cursor is a small blinking line or hyphen that shows the position of text, position of the next character to be typed. जब भी आपको टाइप करना होता है तो उससे पहले एक ब्लिंकिंग लाइन आती है. दैट वर्टिकल ब्लिंकिंग लाइन इज नोन एज कर्सर. अ कर्सर इज द स्मॉल ब्लिंकिंग लाइन और हाइफन दैट शोज द पोजीशन ऑफ द नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर टू बी टाइप. जब भी हम टाइप करते रहते हैं तो उससे पहले टाइप करना चाहते हैं तो उससे पहले एक ब्लिंकिंग लाइन आती है दैट शोज द करंट टाइपिंग पोजीशन ऑफ द टेक्स्ट फ्रॉम वेयर वी हैव टू स्टार्ट द टाइप द टेक्स्ट. दैट इज योर cursor, small vertical blinking line that shows the position of next character to be typed is your cursor. Next key is your backspace key. Backspace key is your eraser on computer. जैसे आप अपनी नोटबुक में कुछ भी मिस्टेक हो जाती है, that time we are using eraser to rub off our mistake from our notebook. In the same way, if you want to erase your mistake which you have typed on the computer screen, for that we have to use backspace key. Backspace key किसकी तरह काम करती है? Eraser की तरह. When you type something wrong, press backspace key once. One by one, it will erase the character from your screen. Here you need to correct the spelling of computer as we have typed wrong spelling on the computer. Then move the cursor after the second O by using the left arrow key and then press backspace key to erase the extra O, or you can say the extra alphabet we have typed on the screen is O. In this way you can erase the character from your screen. Now I think all of you clear the chapter which I have explained you today. Now you have to read the chapter yourself, each and every key which we have discussed. One by one you have to read the name of the key. First you have to look at the picture of the keyboard, then you have to read the name of the key, then their explanation. One by one you have to read the chapter and their key to clear your concept. Thank you class.